Hello learners, this is Vandana Shukla, computer educator at Deep Darshan Vidya Sankul. Welcome back to chapter number 3, Introduction to GIMP. Today's session we will do exercise part of this chapter. So let's start. Write down new words 3 times in your computer notebook. First is encompasses. Second is altering. Third is retouching. Fourth is manipulation. Fifth is composition. Sixth is accurately. 7 is canvas. 8 is reason. 9 is freehand. 10 is color palette. So this is the new words of this lesson and you have to write 3 times in your notebook. Now we will do multiple choice question. First is GIMP is image and dash editing tool. Options are open source, proprietary, shareware, both A and B. So the correct answer is open source. GIMP is image and open source editing tool, means GIMP is an open source editing tool. Second is the dash tool allows you to select a drawing with the free hand. Once again I am repeating this sentence. The dash tool allows you to select a drawing with the free hand. Options are fuzzy selection, lasso, text, bucket fill. So the correct answer is lasso. The lasso tool allows you to select a drawing with the free hand. Means when you select lasso tool, that time you can select your drawing part with free hand. Then third is the fuzzy select magic wand tool helps you to select areas of the dash. Once again I am repeating the sentence. The fuzzy select tool helps you to select areas of the dash. Options are canvas, all the layers, current layer, image with different colors. Options are canvas, all the layers, current layer, image with different colors. The correct option is current layer. The fuzzy select tool helps you to select areas of the current layer. Now fourth is Shift plus C is the shortcut to dash the image. Shift plus C is the shortcut to dash the image. Options are duplicate, delete, copy, crop. So the correct answer is crop. Shift plus C is the shortcut to crop the image. Fifth is to prepare the images for the web means. To prepare the images for the web means options are reducing the size of an image, zipping the image, crop the image, all of the above. So correct answer is reducing the size of an image. To prepare the images for the web means reducing the size of an image. Sixth is GIMP's basic palette consisting of dash colors. GIMP's basic palette consisting of dash colors. Options are 3, 2, 1, many. So the correct answer is 2. GIMP's basic palette consisting of 2 colors. Seventh is dash are transparent sheet stacked one on top of other. Dash are transparent sheets stacked one on top of other. Options are layers, canvas, windows, none of these. So the correct answer is layers. Layers are transparent sheets stacked one on top of other. 8 number is scale option is used to change the dash of an image. Scale option is used to change the dash of an image. Options are color, size, area, all of the above. So the correct answer is size. Scale option is used to change the size of an image. Ninth is it is the most important part of the image window where the image is displayed. It is the most important part of the image window where the image is displayed. Options are canvas, window, scale, size. So the correct answer is canvas. Canvas is the most important part of the image window where the image is displayed. 10th is the dash tool places text into an image. The dash tool places text into an image. Options are fuzzy selection, text, eraser, bucket fill. So the correct answer is text. The text tool places text into an image. Now we will see true or false. First is Paint.net is most favorite of Windows user. Paint.net is most favorite of Windows user. This statement is true. Second is the Corel Paint shop Photo Pro allows you to adjust and clean up your photos. The Coral Paint Shop Photo Pro allows you to adjust and clean up your photos. This statement is true. Next is GIMP is open source image editing tool. GIMP is open source image editing tool. This statement is true. Next is Fastone Image Viewer has only 120 image transitional effect. Fastone Image Viewer has only 120 image transitional effect. This statement is false because it has 150 plus image transitional effect. Now we will see section C, filling the blanks. So first is the Coral Paint Shop Photo Pro allow you to use the dash with advanced enhancement tools. The Coral Paint Shop Photo Pro allows you to use the dash with advanced enhancement tools. So the answer is Photo Organizer. Photo Organizer. The Coral Paint Shop Photo Pro allows you to use the Photo Organizer with advanced enhancement tool. Next is the Photo Studio 6 provides the feature for adding and stamping facility on high bit depth images. The Photo Studio 6 provides the feature for adding and stamping facility on high bit depth images. Answer is animated text. Animated text. The Photo Studio 6 provides the feature for adding animated text and stamping facility on high bit depth images. Next is Dash is the most powerful image editing tool. Dash is the most powerful image editing tool. Answer is Inkscape. Inkscape is the most powerful image editing tool. Next is Dash is the tool not for detailed editing. Dash is the tool not for detailed editing. Answer is Picasa. Picasa is the tool not for detailed editing. GIMP is presented in dash forms. GIMP is presented in dash form. Answer is 2. GIMP is presented in 2 forms. Layers are wonderful for creating dash. Layers are wonderful for creating dash. Answer is colleagues. Layers are wonderful for creating colleagues. Cropping removes dash or everything outside the dash. Cropping removes unwanted parts or everything outside the selected area. GIMP 2.8 defaults to dash window mode. GIMP 2.8 defaults to dash window mode. Answer is multi. GIMP 2.8 defaults to multi-window mode. Section C. Answer the following question. Question 1 is, what is image editing? Means, what do you understand by image editing? Answer is, image editing encompasses the process of altering images, whether they are digital photographs, traditional analog photographs, or illustrations. Continue with the first answer. Many image editing programs are also used to render or create computer art from scratch. So question 1 has completed. Question 2. List a few image editing tools available. Here you have to categorize the list of image editing tools. So answer 2 is, list of few image editing tools. First is the GIMP. Second is Fastone Image Viewer. Third is Serif Photo Plus X4. Fourth number is Photo Impression 6.5. Fifth is Photo Studio 6. Continue with the second answer. Sixth is Picasa. Seventh is Paint.net. Eighth number is Photo Editor. 9 is Inkscape. 10 is Coral Paint Shop Photo Pro X3. So this was the second answer. Question 3 is, explain JNU image manipulation program. Explain JNU image manipulation program. So answer 3 is, JNU image manipulation program is free and powerful open source image editing tool that provides retouching of photos, authoring of photos, and composition of photos. Continue with the third answer. It is free and consists of many similar features provided by the Photoshop. It's available for free for download distribution software that allows you to create image composition and image authoring. Third answer has completed. Question 4 is, what is photo retouching? Answer 4 is, photo retouching is the process of altering an image to prepare it for final presentation. Retouchers typically performs actions that are small localized adjustment to an image, usually completed after globalized adjustment such as color correction. Retouching is the polishing of an image. Question 5th is write down the expansion of the following. Answer 5th is the first one is .gif, graphics interchange format. Second is .png, portable network graphics. Third is .tff, tagged image file format. Continue with the answer 5. .jpeg or .jpg, Joint Photographic Experts Group. .psd, Photoshop document. Next is .bmp, that is bitmap. Question 6 is explain functionality of the following. Answer 6 is first is rectangle tool. The rectangle selection tool is designed to select rectangular regions of the active layer. Second is oval tool. The oval selection tool is used to select circular and elliptical region from an image with high quality anti-aliasing if you want it. Then third is lasso tool. Lasso tool lets you select a drawing it free hand with pointer while holding down the left mouse button. When you release the mouse button, the selection is closed by connecting the current location to start location with a straight line. Now fourth is text tool. The text tool places the text into an image. You can write your text directly on the canvas. As you type your text, it appears on the canvas in a rectangular frame. Question 7 is discuss how to change the size of an image. Answer is choose image size, measure width and height in pixels for images you plan to use online or in inches or centimeters for images to print. Keep the link icon highlighted to preserve proportion. Select resample to change the number of pixels in the image. This changes the image size, then click on OK. Question 8 is how we can prepare images for web. Step 1 is to prepare the images for the web. You first need to reduce the image to a better width and height for web according to the scale. Step 2. In File, select Export. In the JPG Save dialog, you can opt for GIMP defaults, which reduce the size quite a bit without hurting the visual quality of the image. If you would like to make it smaller, still change the compression level by moving the quality slider down. Question 9 is, what do you understand by layers? Answer is, layers are wonderful tool, especially to create collects or to delete various portions of an image. In GIMP, the layers are virtually stacked up on the top of each other. The lower layers will show through, resulting in a composite image that can be exported as a flat file such as JPEG or PNG. So here we have done all the question answers of this lesson, and you have to write filling the blanks, true, false, MCQ, question answer, and answer in new words in your computer notebook. This is your homework. So, thank you.